Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download additional apps for your Microsoft Surface X Pro. And to do this we'll need to launch Microsoft Store, and you can do it by clicking on this icon right here. It should be there by default. If not, click and open a start. Here type in and search for Microsoft Store. It's this app right here, so we can open it. And inside you can find all kinds of apps, gaming stuff or videos and movies. So here let's get the WhatsApp, for example. So click on the app you want to download and click Get. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. And as you can see, the app works fine. If you want to find all the apps that you've downloaded, you can type in and search for them right here, like the WhatsApp we just downloaded. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.